We are at the movie premiere for Unbelievable, featuring none other than Spragga Benz.
But I feel good to see that the people come out to support it, you know, because it's stories that we all can relate to. Like all the while when I make Jamaican films, it's always, mostly, not always, about crime and violence and ruggedness. And this time we try to portray ourselves in ways that we go through these situations. So things like miscarriages, breast cancer, like adoption, infidelity, you know, them type of things, friendship, you know, things that we go
like real life, everyday events.
Real life in our stories, yeah.
So you're known mainly in the music scene. So how did you transition from music over into acting?
It's not really a transition because I'm still involved in music fully. My album comes out in January. Yeah, so a lot of people, you know, they like the acting. I was saying I didn't really want to continue to portray that type of persona because it's on film and the youth them watch it. So make we do something positive.
It's a big thing, yes.
Yeah.
So how did you get into character?
Well, the director, Cleon, is a very great director. He knows exactly what he wants. So if I'm not doing it properly, I'm not big enough to stop and do it again and take it again. And he knows how to ask me. Cast was really supportive and I couldn't do wrong. They were doing everything right.
So what is one of the challenging parts of your character?
Me not for cry. And you know that
you have to cry?
Yeah. For doing it real, you know.
Right.
It was an emotional situation. Yeah.
So we're gonna see real tears on the big screen. Not no water drop tears, but real tears.
Get away for real, you know.
All right, Spragga. All right.